Last year, the IKEA catalogue came to life through a new digital layer. It allowed you to unlock additional content and see more inspiration than ever before. But to get the full picture of the furniture, you had to visit a store. And once there, it was quite hard to imagine how things would look in your home. So this year, we decided to change the IKEA experience completely, and for the first time, let people bring the inspiration out from the catalogue and into their homes. We call it Showroom at Home. Scan a page with the catalogue app, and the room will come alive around you. Explore it in a 360 view, as if you were standing right in the middle of it. When you find something you like, bring it out and place it in your home. Use the catalogue as a reference. The app will recognize its size and dimension to make the furniture pop up as a real-sized 3D model. Explore different products and find out what goes well together with the rest of the room. As soon as you find a solution that you're happy with, save it. And see if your friends like it as well. The new catalogue received a lot of attention in widely spread media.
The old school classic catalog with your smartphone or tablet for an entirely new shopping experience. It's pretty cool.
Jeg kan faktisk også dreje den for at se, hvordan den ser ud.
Hvor er det sindssygt?
Det ret smart.
Det da mega smart.
And during the first week, the app got over 1 million downloads. By turning the user's home into a showroom, we managed to create a whole new shopping experience. The catalogue is no longer only a source of inspiration. It's a helpful tool that lets you experience IKEA furniture in your home before you even buy them.